Hello again. Now we need to make an O-ring. You can buy an O-ring or you can make them yourself. It's much cheaper to make them yourself, and if you have more different magazines you can make them exactly like you want. For the impact I found that 205mm is appropriate. I made a stick like this where I can cut them, add a mark, then you just have to carefully, that was one. It doesn't need to be within a millimeter or so, it just needs to be a little shorter so it's stretched already when you put it on. So you're sure that all pellets would be fixed when you put them in, but not tighter than if it slugs and it's on the curve that I push them all back. Three. Four. And 5. You just follow the 2 marks I put on this stick. And make sure that you're always angular, perpendicular, it's called, to the thread, so when you join them together then you have a full circle. So here we are medium, and it's actually liquid, so it's very good. Maybe we have success with this one. Just save the tips because they good to have a spare tip. This is how it should look. So when you dip it, you got like a small bulb there. When you touch them, you have just a few seconds to make sure they are aligned. If you take the very liquid one, they will snap instantly and you can't move anything. And then a couple of sprays of these. So 4 O-rings here are made. They have a slight dimp there. Take a small file or something just to take the glue away. You can also buy them, of course. It's a 1.5mm thread rubber. It's a NBR 70 in hardness, just traditional O-ring material. So we have our O-ring. Take our rotor out, try to fit it. And take this part where it's put the joint there, and it has nothing to do, and then just pull it on. Try not to twist it too much. So you see it's all under the surface now. And you can always test if it's hitting anywhere. It doesn't, so it's perfect now. O-ring, that's how it's doing. Only one left is how to make the spring. Coming back.
stays right by my side.